Introducing the Ashley Electric Fireplace Insert, a versatile and stylish addition to your home's entertainment center. This fireplace insert offers the warmth and ambience of a crackling fire without the hassle of maintenance and cleanup. With its impressive features, including 7 preset temperature settings, LED fire display with remote control, and built-in overheating control, it's designed for both comfort and safety. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Versatile TV Stand Fireplace Insert. This electric fireplace insert is a versatile addition to your entertainment center or select TV stands, allowing you to enjoy the cozy ambience of a crackling fireplace without the maintenance or cleanup associated with traditional fireplaces. This fireplace insert offers both functionality and style, making it a valuable addition to your living room. Number 2. 7 preset temperature settings. One of the standout features of this fireplace insert is its ability to provide warmth to your living space. It comes with 7 preset temperature settings, allowing you to adjust the heat to your comfort level. Whether you need a gentle warmth or something more substantial, this fireplace insert has you covered. Additionally, it operates with or without heat, making it suitable for year-round use. Number 3. Built-in overheating control. Safety is paramount when it comes to electric fireplace inserts, and Ashley Furniture has considered this. The unit is equipped with a built-in overheating control device, giving you peace of mind while enjoying the cozy heat it provides. Number 4. LED fire display with remote control. The LED fire display of this fireplace insert is a visual delight. You can select from 5 different brightness levels to set the perfect mood for your living room. The realistic wood-burning flames inside a classic black frame add a special ambience that enhances the overall aesthetic of your entertainment space. The included remote control makes it easy to adjust the settings from the comfort of your couch. Number 5. Easy installation and operation. Setting up and operating this electric fireplace insert is a breeze. Simply plug it in, and you can easily set the mood with warm, flickering flames. Clear instructions are included to guide you through the installation process, ensuring that you can start enjoying your fireplace insert in no time. Dimensions. Product dimensions are 8.75 inches, depth by 23.75 inches, width by 20.13 inches height. Specifications. Take a moment to look at the specifications. Pause if you'd like to read them thoroughly. Pros and cons. 5 reasons to buy. Versatile addition to entertainment centers. 7 preset temperature settings. Realistic LED fire display. Built-in overheating control. Easy installation and operation. 1 reason not to buy. Corded electric power source may limit placement options. Conclusion. The Ashley Electric Fireplace Insert is a fantastic addition to your entertainment space. It combines functionality, safety, and aesthetics to create a cozy atmosphere in your living room. With its versatile features and easy installation, it's a reliable choice for those looking to add warmth and style to their home. Plus, the backing of Ashley Furniture Industries ensures you're getting a quality product you can trust. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links, and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.